Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the United Nations Office for Outer Space Affairs, it is a pleasure to welcome you all to the United Nations Pakistan Prince Sultan bin Abdulaziz International Prize for Water International Conference on the use of space technology for water management. I would like to express my gratitude to the Prince Sultan bin Abdulaziz International Prize for Water for co-organizing this event, the Pakistan Space and Upper Atmosphere Research Commission for hosting it on behalf of the Government of Pakistan, and to the Inter-Islamic Network for Space Science and Technology for co-sponsoring. It is an honor to work with you to bring together decision makers, experts, educators, and other stakeholders around the world on this important topic. Unfortunately, I cannot join you in person, but please let me use this video opportunity to extend my best wishes for a very successful conference. Ladies and gentlemen, in 2015, all member states of the United Nations adopted the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development and its 17 Sustainable Development Goals. Within the framework of these 17 SDGs, all countries and stakeholders act in collaborative partnership to implement all goals and targets. At the Office for Outer Space Affairs, we work to help countries around the world to use space as a tool for the achievement of the Sustainable Development Goals. This, of course, includes SDG number 6, ensuring the availability and sustainable management on water and sanitation for all. As you know, and we shortly discuss further, water, the lifeblood of our planet, can benefit hugely from space science technology and applications. For example, satellites can contribute to better water resource management by providing data and information on the availability of water resources and water use. This data can be used to formulate policy and implement programs at the national, regional, and international levels. We must do more to preserve our precious water resources, and it is therefore of the utmost importance that we raise awareness and show people how to use space technologies to address water-related issues. At UNOOSA, in addition to organizing capacity-building events like this conference, we are also undertaking other capacity-building activities, like the development of a space and water portal with the generous support of the Prince Sultan bin Abdulaziz International Prize for Water. The portal will link the global water management community to the space sector and include information on water data, interactive databases on water research, water resource-related organizations, companies, space-derived and geospatial datasets, and satellite imagery and resource applications. We look forward to making such a concrete contribution to this important topic. Distinguished guests, in June 2018, UniSpace Plus 50, the first United Nations Global Space Summit of the 21st century, will take place in Vienna as a special segment of the annual session of the United Nations Committee on the Peaceful Uses of Outer Space. UniSpace Plus 50 will gather all relevant stakeholders in the broader space community to mark 50 years since the first UniSpace conference. It will also be a unique opportunity to consider the future of international space cooperation for the benefit of humankind. This will include, of course, a focus on the attainment of the Sustainable Development Goals and the role of the global space community can play. It is clear that member states, international organizations, NGOs, academia, civil society, and the private sector and industry all need to collaborate to ensure the space brings concrete benefits to everyone, everywhere. Your discussions and insights during the coming days will contribute towards UniSpace Plus 50 and consequently help us shape the future of global space cooperation. through your work and engagement, you are directly helping to enable all communities to use and benefit from space and its vast potential. So, thank you again to the Prince Sultan bin Abdulaziz International Prize for Water, the Pakistan Space and Upper Atmosphere Research Commission, the Government of Pakistan, and the Inter-Islamic Network on Space Science and Technology for their support of this event. Lastly, participants, I thank you all for your commitment and wish you a most productive and exciting conference.